What you have just witnessed there is the beginning of the floods in Libya, eastern Libya. I can show you on the map right now where this actually happened, and the title says 2 dams collapse in eastern Libya, according to Libyan officials. I can show you this screen here. What caused the floods in Libya? It was the Mediterranean storm Daniel on Sunday night. Today is now Tuesday. On a Sunday night, causing havoc and flash flooding in eastern Libya, and it says where floods broke dams and washed away neighborhoods like this.
بيضة غرقت يا هو، بيضة غرقت يا هو، أفزعوا البياضة يا عرب. هذين السيارات تفضل له، هذه حتى مسحتها يشتغلن.
كانت المية دي أول.
حتى مسحتها يبي يشتغلن. السيارات هذين السيارات هذه البياضة، هذه البيضة غرقت غراق يا ابوي.
لا توارت بيك كذا.
توارت هذيك خلاص.
صارت عوض وايد.
صارت عوض راحت فيها يا ابو.
لا هذه المدرسة، سور المدرسة خلاص بتسقط حتى السور فوقه.
صدق وجهي للعين.
هذه البياضة.
Now, these videos do come from, you could say, netizens and how the devastation is. There have been reports on ABC and a lot of the major news networks of how many people, unfortunately, have lost their lives. But on YouTube, I can't. When more information comes in, I will try to do this maybe sometime tomorrow. Please note that my time is Bangkok time, and that the time of recording is Tuesday, the 12th of September at 8 o'clock in the evening. I should be able to release this within about half an hour. But more images do come in related to this flood from Storm Daniel in the Mediterranean. Of course, our thoughts go out to the citizens which have been affected. Regardless of their religion, creed, they are the same as you and I.
السيارة تحتها.
السيارة تحت قصدها.
طيب.
Thank you so much for your time. My name is James. This is the James N. Cooper Show. Bye-bye for now. I'll see you very soon.